Perched high in the Sacramento Mountains of southern New Mexico, Cloudcroft was founded in the late 1890s as a rugged timber town that quickly transformed into an alpine retreat for those trying to escape the summer heat. The little town of about 750 full-time residents lies at an elevation of 8,676 feet and is blessed with cool summers as the temperatures rarely exceed 80 degrees, but snowy winters with 70-plus inches of snow falling annually. In the late 1890s, El Paso and Northeastern Railroad was expanding across southern New Mexico. To supply timber for railway ties and coal mining, survey crews ventured up into the dense pine forest of the Sacramento Mountains. When surveyors reached the peak, they found a striking meadowed clearing surrounded by clouds and dense forest, naming it Cloudcroft, which means cloud-covered clearing in the woods. By 1899, a rail line was extended up the mountain, and the town was officially established. At 9,000 feet above the desert heat, time moves a little differently. Welcome to Cloudcroft, New Mexico, where the air is crisp, the pines stretch forever, and downtown feels like stepping into a friendly mountain storybook.
Come over.
Always having to try to get the doggies all squared away. Stroll down the historic wooden boardwalks. Here you'll swap the highway rush for local art, handcrafted turquoise jewelry, and the irresistible scent of fresh mountain pine mixed with something sweet baking just down the block. Footsteps echo pleasantly on the wooden planks as visitors browse outdoor racks and chat with local shopkeepers. Whether you're fueling up for a hike in the Lincoln National Forest, hunting for mountain treasures, or just slowing down with a cup of locally roasted coffee, you haven't truly experienced New Mexico until you've caught a breeze in the clouds. pies and breads. Hi, how are you today? Best pies and cookies in town, huh? This is, everybody is putting a pin in, I bet, from where they're from. Nearly 9,000 feet in the clouds, history whispers through the pines at the lodge at Cloudcroft. For over a century, this mountaintop sanctuary has welcomed travelers seeking a world apart. Step inside where the crackle of a grand stone fireplace meets timeless elegance. Play around on America's highest golf course. Dine with panoramic views that stretch across the horizon, or simply let the mountain's silence wrap around you.
Located in Sunspot, New Mexico, high in the Sacramento Mountains 18 miles south of Cloudcroft, Apache Point Observatory is one of the most productive astronomical research facilities in the world. It is owned by New Mexico State University and operated by the Astrophysical Research Consortium. Dedicated in 1994, it lies at an altitude of 9,186 feet, taking full advantage of southern New Mexico's crisp, high-altitude skies and low light pollution. Along the Sunspot Scenic Byway, New Mexico State Route 6563, leading to the observatory, you'll see signs representing each of the planets of our solar system. They are part of a 1 to 250 million scale model of our solar system, turning a scenic 15-mile drive into an interactive physics lesson on the massive scale of space. The model starts with Neptune near the junction of New Mexico 130 and New Mexico 6563 and extends 15 miles south to a sign near the Sunspot Astronomy and Visitor Center representing the Sun. As you drive south, you'll pass signs for each planet in succession in direct proportion to their distance from the Sun. Note the signs for Neptune, Uranus, Saturn, Jupiter, and Ceres, the largest body in the asteroid belt, are very far apart, mirroring the actual vast distances of the outer solar system. Then you will see Mars, Earth, Venus, and Mercury in quick succession before seeing the sign for our Sun.
we are at the top of, is this called Sunspot, Carl? Where the Apache Observatory is. And I just wanted to, I hope this will pick it up, how beautiful this is. And if we scan over, all that white in the background is part of White Sands National Park. Just beautiful. So, Carl, what do you know about the observation tower here?
Well, this is Apache Point Observatory, one of two observatories up here. The other one, Sunspot, is closed for some repairs. It shows 4 different telescopes. The Sloan Foundation 2.5 meter telescope was built specifically for the wide field mapping required by the Sloan Digital Sky Survey. It generates 3-dimensional astronomical maps of the universe, cosmic structure studies, and stellar population surveys. The ArcSat 0.5 meter telescope is a reflecting telescope on an equatorial mount. It's dedicated to observing bright targets and providing hands-on training for student researchers. The ARC 3.5 meter telescope serves as the site's primary general-purpose research telescope. The NMSU 1.0 meter reflector telescope is operated directly by New Mexico State University. It's utilized for long-term stellar monitoring campaigns, student research, and contribution to global observation initiatives.
Pretty cool.
Well, that says authorized personnel. Does that mean I can go up this way?
I don't know. Might get yelled at.
Yeah, there's always that danger, isn't there? Now, there was a sign at the beginning of the driveway here that said that the observatory is closed from sunset to 7 a.m. It's too bad. That's the best time to be here.
Nestled deep in the rugged mountains of southern New Mexico sits a towering relic of the American frontier, the legendary Mexican Canyon Trestle. Back in 1899, this agricultural marvel was the crowning achievement of the Alamogordo and Sacramento Mountain Railway, affectionately known as the Cloud Climbing Railroad. Scaling steep canyons from the desert floor up to the mountain village of Cloudcroft, this railway was a lifeline for timber and thrilling ride for tourists seeking escape from the summer heat.